Tiragan sabon, kitag away tayo dabon. To John Morgan, pwede way tahabawon.
Woo! You brought the spirit of Goa in this one space.
I wanted to give a full experience. It's not only about food, you know.
Prawn rissois. जैसे हमारी कलंजी होती है ना वैसा ही है. ओए ओए ओए. A beautiful tender coconut julienne with a little bit of cashew, Goan spices, pure vegetarian, award-winning dish. ये जो डिश है ना, इसमें एक subtlety भी है और एक punch भी है इसमें. When it comes to seafood, no wasting. Cleared everything up. ऐसे बहुत कम रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं जो समय की कसौटी पर उतरते हैं. ऐसा ही एक रेस्टोरेंट है मुंबई में जिसका नाम है गोवा पोर्चुगेजा. Started in 1988, I have so many fond memories of this place. I got my first job in 1988 and I remember coming here to the newly opened Goa Portuguesa to celebrate my first job. And from that day onwards, I have always come here whenever there has been a celebration, whenever there is a happy moment, and whenever I'm dying to eat Goan food. So let's meet Dr. Sunny Avchat, his wife Deepa. Let's feast and then ask them के Goa Portuguesa में खाने में क्या है? How young I look, baap re, I can't believe it. So every great restaurant needs a great pioneer. And this man over here, Dr. Suhas Avchat, is the man and his wife, of course. You have to give credit to the wife. Yes, Deepa.
She's my boss.
Started this place. Tell me, Suhas, आप तो गोवन नहीं हो, आपकी वाइफ गोवन है. आपने कैसे सोचा कि ये एक गोवन रेस्टोरेंट की जरूरत है मुंबई में और एक गोवन रेस्टोरेंट जो एयर कंडीशन है, जो अपस्केल गोवन रेस्टोरेंट, वाइन, live music, yes.
So basically, I'm a pure vegetarian Brahmin आदमी हूँ.
Okay.
और घर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे है और ये मेरा पॉलीक्लिनिक का जगह था.
अच्छा, आप डॉक्टर थे?
हाँ, मैं एमडी हूँ, डॉक्टर हूँ.
हाँ.
और शादी हुई दीपा से. घर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे मैं और मेरी माँ प्योर वेज. माय मदर इज अ बरवे. अंडा सुधा चालत नहीं बरं का.
हो का?
अंडा भी नहीं चलता.
अच्छा.
दीपा तो गोवा की है.
हाँ.
वो उसका तो फंडा है कि भाई प्राण जाए पर प्रॉन न जाए. So that's how Goa Portuguesa was born.
Started.
And I converted my clinic into a restaurant. I copied all the, we had no money for architects and all that. So I copied the old churches.
Goan tiles.
Her house in Goa, the trellis work, and to help of Mario Miranda, who's a good friend of ours. Remo Fernandez, he designed our logos and all that. And we started this place. Press had been very kind to me. In the first year, we had great people like JRD Tata walked into my restaurant.
JRD Tata walked into your restaurant.
That was the height, you know, I was blessed.
I'm starting with what is probably the most refreshing and most digestive drink you can ever get in the Konkan, which is a soul curry. Beautifully pink. The color itself just describes the flavor, which is full of kokum and coconut milk. Slightly spicy, but just beautiful. And then straight from the Konkan, moving to Portugal. This is a typically Goan soup. It's called caldo verde. It's purely vegetarian. You can see it's green. It's got spinach and potato in it. It's very wholesome and looks very filling. So I'm going to have a couple of spoons only because नहीं तो मैं अगर ये पूरा सूप पी जाऊंगा या खा जाऊंगा और कुछ जाएगा नहीं अंदर. It was very nice. बहुत ही refreshing है. It's a very tasty soup, mildly spiced. It doesn't feel very heavy. Otherwise, cream soups tend to become very heavy, ना? सूप के बाद थोड़ा स्टार्टर्स करते हैं. यहाँ 2-3 स्टार्टर्स है. ये प्रॉन रिसोइस, जैसे हमारी कलंजी होती है ना वैसा ही है.
Then I thought of our karanji. I said क्यों नहीं हम लोग हमारा नाइस पफ करेंगे एंड आउटसाइड कवर थिन किया एंड इनसाइड लॉट्स ऑफ क्रीमी चीजी प्रॉन्स भर के देती हूँ, तो इट्स यमी, यू मस्ट ट्राई दैट।
मैं इसको क्रीमी प्रॉन्स इनसाइड, ओए ओए ओए, oh, a beautiful pastry outside, slightly spicy, creamy prawns, stuffed। और अगर आपको white sauce नहीं अच्छा लगता, trust me, इसमें थोड़ी हरी मिर्च कुछ है जिससे एक तीखापन आता है इसमें। जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था कि इस एपिसोड में हम थोड़ा बहुत वेजिटेरियन फूड भी करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि गोवन क्विजीन का जो मिसनोमर है कि सभी खाना नॉन वेजिटेरियन होता है, ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे मिथ को। दिस इज एक्चुअली अ महाराष्ट्रियन डिश बट आई रियली लाइक इट। इट्स ग्रीन पीस विद पोटैटो क्रिस्पली फ्राइड। इट्स क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल। ठीक है, अभी दम लगा के हर्षा लगाते हैं दम और खाना खाते हैं। मैं शुरुआत इस साइड से करने वाला हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ है गोवा's आइकॉनिक डिश चिकन काफ्रियाल।
Famous Goan dish, but it is not Goan. It is originally from Mozambique, Portuguese colony, and from there the Portuguese people introduced us to Goa.
चिकन काफ्रियाल जैसे दीपा ने एक्सप्लेन किया, ओरिजिनल ओरिजिन मोजाम्बिक में आता है। एक हरी मिर्च और ग्रीन मसाले हैं इसमें। कहते हैं कि जो काफ्रियाल होती है वो ऐसे वजन डाल के कुक होती है, रोस्ट भी होती है और ग्रेवी भी होती है इसमें। So let's try some of this काफ्रियाल। It is one of those dishes that everyone can eat because it does not contain too much of vinegar or anything. It's just the wonderful spices of coriander, green chilies and masala. अभी तक ये थोड़ा बहुत स्टार्टर ही हो रहा है। यहाँ से यहाँ आते हैं to one of my favorite things in the world to eat, which is crab. And you go anywhere in Goa, you get stuffed crabs. Stuffed crabs, in my view, is a mixture of the best of Goan food and the best of Western food. Because this crab has Indian spices in it, Goan spices in it, yet it is baked and often has cheese on top of it, which makes it into a very Indo-Western or Goan Western dish. Of course, इसमें मेहनत बहुत है क्योंकि क्रैब का जो मीट होता है वो पूरा निकाल के फिर उसे अलग से कुक करके फिर उसके शेल में वापस स्टफ करके थोड़ा बेक करके, दिस इज जस्ट एक्सेप्शनली गुड। स्टफ क्रैब इज टू डाई फॉर। बिल्कुल। अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये वेजिटेरियन जो कैशू और टेंडर कोकोनट की सब्जी है उसे ट्राई करें हम। टेंडर कोकोनट जुलियन विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कैशू, गोन स्पाइसेस, प्योर वेजिटेरियन, अवार्ड विनिंग डिश। ये जो डिश है ना उसमें बहुत सारी खूबियां हैं। इसमें एक सटलिटी भी है और एक पंच भी है इसमें। जब टेंडर कोकोनट जो क्रीमी है मसालों से मिलता है और उसमें थोड़ा सीजन में रॉ कैशूज यूज करते हैं, नहीं तो कैशू सोक करके जो सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं कैशू। वेरी अनयूजुअल डिश। एंड यू नो कैशू से कैशू का फ्रूट होता है, एप्पल, कैशू एप्पल, कैशू का नट होता है और कैशू की फेनी भी बनती है। करेक्ट, वेरी गोल। इतना सारा खाना है यहाँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्या करूँ। But tell me one thing, Suhas. When you started Goa Portuguesa, what was the state of Goan cuisine in Mumbai? Was it there? Were there restaurants there? Where could you go and eat Goan food if you wanted to?
So we used to look for gullies, dhabas, 5 stars, 4-star, 3-star hotel for Goan food.
No.
तो कहीं भी नहीं था। तो आज दीपा से वेदर यू कैन हेल्प मी, क्योंकि मुझे तो कुछ नॉलेज नहीं था फूड के बारे में, किचन के बारे में।
सुहास ने जोकिंगली एक दिन बोला कि मैं एक गोवा का रेस्टोरेंट ओपन करता हूँ, विल यू टेक केयर ऑफ द किचन? आई थॉट एज यूजुअल ही हैज गॉट अ हैबिट ऑफ जोकिंग कि हाँ, एंड ही वाज सीरियस। We went to Goa, we did the research, then we came back, he had a place, and then after almost 2 years of research with all the housewives in Goa, Goa Portuguesa was born in December 1988.
So 88 was lucky for a lot of people.
Lot of people. Also, you know, what you brought over here and you can tell me about this, is it's not only just the food of Goa. You brought the spirit of Goa in this one space. The joy, the music, the laughter, the feni, the food, and the celebration.
Betiragan sa bon, kitagaway tayo dabon. Tujan mogan puway tahabawon.
Woo!
Mogan zay te baikot, takina hasta kina rota te. Tuwe hawe so zumuche bota. Moga tu moje sup, moga cheru. Wapan atsu tukul lago na makabu. Mogan zay te baikot, takina hasta kina rota te. Tuwe hawe so zumuche bota. Moktuzo asa mononda unieta Zalete zale sagle bisarata Tuji koshi pun sagle sosungeta Putuka pura rachi rani koron kagarata
Whoa!
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Drenkies.
अब गोवा में ब्रेड भी होता है, यानी ये पोई, राइस भी होता है, ये जो रेड राइस, गोवन राइस है वो, और ये होता है सना. Sana is like an idli, but it's not an idli. It's often fermented with toddy, which is beautiful, and with a vindaloo, it tastes divine. So I'm going to try some of this vindaloo now. Vindaloo! So if you're finicky about this, you can eat a chicken vindaloo as well. And nothing goes as well as vindaloo, sana and vindaloo. Oh, this vindaloo is very good. It's just right. Huge punch of spice and even more punch of vinegar. Together, they create such a wonderful balance of flavors and spice. It's brilliant. I really like this pork vindaloo. At Goa Portuguesa, they've taken Goan food to another level and modernized it slightly and made it into a fast food. And this is what that is. The poi is a classic Goan bread and it's been stuffed in poi and pao, which is right next door. It's been stuffed in with one Ross and omelette, which is again very Goan, Ross omelette. Ross omelette we've shown before. It's a fabulous omelette with spicy coconut-based gravy. Very common Goan breakfast. And poi and sausage, or chorizo as it's called. Which is the quick takeaway, modern version of Goan food. Also available next door, called poi and pao. No Goan meal is complete without curry and rice. Shitkodi, which I'm going to have in a bit. But before that, this prawn, it's been sitting there, looking at me and saying, eat me, eat me. So I have to eat this prawn. And it's cooked in this fabulous masala called Rishad. Now, ladies and gentlemen, don't get psyched out because this is the way a prawn needs to be eaten with its head on. Because in this head is all the flavor. Now, I would not normally eat with two hands. Look at this lovely prawn. I like vindaloo, where the red fiery masala, the Rishad masala, mixes with the sweet meat of a prawn. That combination of dry red vinegar, chilies, jeera, lasan, delicate sweet flavor of prawn meat is heaven. I don't think I need to go out to Goa at all. It's been a long time since I've had such a big Goan feast. And now to attack the head of the prawn. This is where all the flavor is. All the juices are. Lovely tiger prawns with Rishad masala. And now before I hit the curry and rice, which is going to be the last thing I eat, I want to try some of this beautiful lobster or crayfish, as it's called. It's one of the biggest lobsters that have been served in a long time. It's called the lobster Goa Portuguesa. And let me eat it and I'll tell you what the spices are. This is a really nice fusion of Goan and Portuguese food. It's got all your wonderful red chilies, all the spices, and red wine, and a little bit of cheese garnish. When it comes to seafood, no wasting. It cleared everything up. Now, this is not any kind of rice. This is Goan rice, fat rice, unpolished rice, and trust me, you cannot eat curry with basmati rice. It's not done. This is good old fat curry, Goan rice. This curry is a prawn curry. What is special about it is that it's got mango in it, raw mango. Here is the prawn. Little bit curdy, and this is one lovely raw mango. Khatta raw mango. No Goan meal is complete without shitkodi, curry and rice. The rich velvetiness of coconut, the khattaness, sourness of raw mango, या जो कहते हैं ना, curry. May I be a pig and eat it properly? Lovely, sweet, fresh prawns. A little bite into the mango. Beautiful. But अगर आपको मुझे ऐसे ही खाना एंजॉय करते हुए देखना है, अगर आप चाहो कि मैं और खाना आपको लेकर आऊं, तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब नाउ. कुछ नहीं लगता, 1 घंटी है बटन दबाने का और कुछ नहीं करने का. सब्सक्राइब करो जल्दी, रुका है खाना मेरे लिए. क्या? डन. कुछ मीठा हो जाए. Now I have to confess one thing when it comes to Goan desserts. मैं इतना क्रेजी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन कुछ desserts हैं जो typically Goan है और quite amazing है. जैसे ये bibinka है. Bibinka is made out of many eggs, coconut, and layers, and if you look at this, you will be able to see the layers in this bibinka. Can you see it? I'll show it to you from this side also. Layers. So it's like a cake full of eggs and coconut. It's made predominantly out of many egg yolks, coconut milk and sugar. And it's a delicacy. Not my favorite, but it's a delicacy. And you know me, I like anything sweet. But my eye is on this. The dodol. Again, typically Goan. Fully caramelized. Like a pudding. And finally, they say it's a Portuguese dish, Serradura. It's mind-blowingly delicious. But how can condensed milk not be delicious? You have to go all the way to the bottom, and pick this up. Unbelievably good. तो ये तो हमारा एपिसोड एक ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट पर जो मैं मानता हूँ एक सेलिब्रेशन है, गो पोर्चुगीजा. बहुत कम रेस्टोरेंट्स 37-38 इयर्स निकालते हैं. ज़्यादा करके मुंबई में रेस्टोरेंट्स, 90% of restaurants shut in 1 year, 1.5 years. But to last for 38 years speaks volumes of what this restaurant stands for and what the people behind this restaurant stand for. अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ राइट टू अस, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए. और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है. दिस इज Serradura. It's, but try it. It's like milk and biscuits and more milk and Milkmaid cream and Marie biscuit.
Did you like?
I liked it. I'm not crazy about it, but I like it.